Come here. Come here. Come on. Let's get out of the corner. Come here. Okay, I'm going to chase you. Come on. Let's go. Out of the corner. Don't be afraid of me. Come on. Come on, let's go this way. Come on. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's get out of the corner. Come on. What's going on? Hey, boy. He's being very tired. What are you doing? Now he's on the move. Come on. Get here. Let's see. See if you can see how beautiful he loads up his body, uses his body. Come on, baby. Let's see if I cheat you a little bit. Come on. Come on. Let's get out of the corners. Huh? You can climb stairs. Come here, little boy. Come on. Come on, where's the waggy tail? We're not going upstairs. Look at you climbing upstairs. No, we're not climbing upstairs. Oh my God. What am I gonna do? He's a stair climber. Okay, we gotta fix that. No stair climbing yet. Come on. Come on. Go ahead, go. He's baby on ice. Come on, no stairs. Come on. Come on. Are you still asleep on your feet? I love his short little muzzle. Is that very cool? If he decides to move for you, he does. He moves very, very nicely. But he must be tired. He must be thinking of a future Shandy on his horizon. Or a Corona. Come on. Let's see a good size profile then. Come on, you're in the dark corner. Let's go. Come on. Just make one move. Come on. Come on. Poor Bubby. Poor Bubby. Poor Bubby. He's wagging his tail though, no? No, he's not wagging his tail. Poor Bubby. Okay. Good night.